Yo, what's up? It's me, Ali, back at it again. I know you haven't seen me in a long time, but that's okay. Today, we're gonna try Broomball. So there's essentially 4 parts to being an excellent broomball player. You first need speed, then you need power, and then comes technique. You didn't see that, but it was really cool. And lastly, your name needs to start with the letter A, end in the letter I, and only have 1 letter in between, and that's an L. If you follow these simple procedures, welcome to Broomball awesomeness. Super fun and epic day at Broomball. I'm so glad that I came out onto the ice. There's so many awesome people here from all walks of Colby. So if you have any inclination to try out some winter sports, come here, this jam plan. We're so ready to see you. Deuces!